Please check that the accessories are completely according to the following list. Press the latch to right and open the door. Press the back latch and pull out the waste bin. Remove the waste bin lid and install the trash bag. Fold the trash bag along the dashed line. Make sure the dashed line is on the edge of the waste bin. The trash bag should not cover the rear side. Pull the drawstring through the Y-shaped slot. Install the waste bin lid. The buckles should not press against the drawstring. Tear open the N50, put it in, and press it firmly. Install the waste bin back. Close the door. Remove the magnetic side cover. Put the N60 in the Smart Odor Eliminator. Install the magnetic side cover back. Lift the front side of the device and place it on a firm, level ground. Keep a distance of 5 to 10 centimeters from the wall. Connect the device to a power source. Press the menu button to switch to maintenance mode. Press the OK button and the cylinder begins to rotate. When the cylinder stops with the opening facing up, pour in the cat litter. Press the OK button to exit maintenance mode. The device will level cat litter automatically. Open the PETKIT app and click plus. Select PETKIT PUROBOT Max Pro 2 with camera self-cleaning cat litter box. Enter a valid Wi-Fi and password. Wait for the connection until the binding is successful. Customize the device name. Please read the instructions carefully and start to use.